Hey everybody, today we've got another awesome combo exercise from our Dhoom 3 workout series. This one is dips to L-sits with kicks, which is a super functional full body exercise that works the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. And if seeing Aamir Khan struggling a bit in this clip is making you nervous, rest assured I'm going to lead you through a step-by-step progression so you can enjoy this exercise no matter what your fitness level currently is. Most people perform dips with their legs crossed behind them, which is great for building strength and size. But as a professional acrobat, I am always looking for ways to build more functional strength, and also to develop awareness of my entire body as I move. So for today, we're going to extend those legs, reach the toes down and back, and keep the longest line possible through your entire body. The first step in our progression is to practice moving smoothly from the top of the dip position to the setup for the L-sit. Start by pushing down with your hands, opening your chest, and then tilting slightly forward. That gentle forward tilt allows the pecs to engage properly and also helps protect your shoulders in the dip. Then, in a smooth, controlled motion, keeping your chest high and wide, slowly shift your body forward until your pelvis is slightly in front of you. Then, reach back with your toes and move smoothly back again to the top of that dip. Keep as much space as possible between your shoulders and ears throughout this entire movement. Keep breathing the whole time, relax your neck and jaw, and keep your head in line with your spine. If you're not yet strong enough to perform full dips, this is a great way to build functional strength as you work toward them. Next, remember to keep your chest nice and wide as you reach forward and hit the like button on this video, because this is the opposite of everything we're working toward here. So feel free to practice on my channel. I've got plenty of videos you can like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and you can do all of that with a nice open chest and a long spine. All right, the second part of our progression is alternating dips with a knee raise in the front. Start with 3 dips in that extended position, working to keep that nice gentle forward tilt throughout the entire movement. But now, when you reach the front, lift your knees up until your thighs are roughly parallel to the ground. Remember to keep a nice long neck and your jaw relaxed as you hold for 3 seconds in the front. Then, you'll reach with your toes and move smoothly back to the top of the dip to repeat the full sequence 3 or 4 times for 1 set. For the final step in our progression, you'll once again perform 3 dips. But this time, when you get to the front position, extend your legs and reach your toes forward to hold an L-sit for 3 seconds. As before, you'll then move smoothly back to the top of your dip position, perform 3 dips, and repeat. And of course, if you'd like even more challenge than that, you can also add some straight leg kicks to the hold out front to really take this one to the next level. And that is dips to L-sits with kicks. Let me know in the comments what you'd like me to cover next. I'm David Poznic with Poznic Training. We'll see you soon.